Hi, this is DUI Projects again, here to talk about Harbor Freight magnets and how wonderful they are. So I'm going to make up a increased magnet for welding. And you just take a piece of 1x1 16 gauge and slice it so that it captures the magnet. And here we go. This is why you don't use your hands free with a powered corded grinder. It can run. Nice and hot. Get to do the same to the other side. Probably be best to do it this way. Just get some marks so we can see what we're doing. We're making it. They fit perfectly into this channel. This needs to be cleaned a little bit so that they fit. And just hit it with the grinder. It's in there now. Okay, let's find our, we want to find the repulsing faces. That's the same direction magnetic field. Put one there. Let's just make sure these two faces repulse. That's it. Put one there. So it's being held up a little bit. Okay. Open up another packet. That's the repulsing face. I want the faces the same direction. That's half of our magnet. The other half is here. I need to cut this side away. So first, shoot, gotta get it on closer, centered. Get this one back in place. Oh, it's not setting good. Anyways, easily lift this. That's about a 10-pound plate. Need them to set more in there. So this is the magnet put together. Be very careful when putting these together because the metal coming together your finger can get trapped as mine did. The north face is along one entire face, the south face is along the other entire face, and the magnetic flux wants to go through to bridge this circuit. It's going through the air normally, but if we short it with another piece of metal, you get a pretty nice strong lifting from it. Our handy dandy larger bar could get put up, and if you need to adjust it, you just kick it to the side and push it up and down. Now if I sat on the end of this, it would hold me easily. That's got near 40 pounds of holding power. It's not going to slide unless you give it around 40 pounds, or at least 30. I could sit there and that's where it starts to slip. So if you want to film where I am on the bar, that you can see if I'm putting my weight on it, right about here is where it's gonna want to slip. Well, I guess there we go. Beautiful. So you get a fair amount with these. It did destroy the paint because it does have a bit of holding power.